Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra release will mark the end of an era. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set for release in a few months, and one of its upgrades will mark the end of an era. It will bring a completely different look yet much closer to the iPhone. A new design look has appeared on the network from a reliable source. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung was the first company to introduce curved edge screens in smartphones. The company picked up this display as a revolutionary technology to offer something different. The Galaxy S and Note series introduced curved display variations from 2015 to 2018. Earlier this year, Galaxy S24 Ultra unveiled a flat screen, which completed the last step in this flat device transition. Compared to Ultra, the Standard and Plus models have already received a new makeover and a similar frame. Compared to these two phones, the Galaxy S24 Ultra retained its curved frame, but the message was clear for the successor. S25 Ultra completing the circle. A month ago, OnLeaks collaborated with Android Headlines to share the first Galaxy S25 Ultra Cad renders. These images have revealed a whole new chapter for the Ultra model and the entire S-series lineup. Samsung introduced a titanium frame with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but still looks identical to its predecessor. The S25 Ultra has implemented this material with a flat side, but no curves in either direction. The rear, the front, and the frame create a complete flat phone experience, just like the Galaxy S24 Base and Plus model. This new design has also removed those clear sharp corners. Instead, S25 Ultra has rounded all four corners. This gives us an iPhone vibe, but there's another side to look at it. Existing and previous Ultra models come with low bezels, but its round frame completely overshadowed this display feature. That means, the frame's radius or curve contributes as an extra bezel outside of the display. With a flat frame, the phone looks thin on corners and sides. This change will highlight the slim bezels and full view visuals. The phone maker has already experimented with this change with the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus and well received by customers. What is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra release date? Samsung decided the end of this curve era years ago, and the S24 Ultra set the course straight. Now, Samsung is ready to complete this flat-screen flagship transition with the S25 Ultra, and there's a high chance that we'll see this change in action with the phone's release early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.